Hi everybody, welcome back to Pookie Bear's Corner. I know it's been a while since I've done a video. I think it's been like 2 weeks since I posted one. I do apologize. Summertime is my favorite time of the year, and I hate being in the house in the summer. So, I do apologize. I will try to get better at it. We are going to be making a cream cheese pie. Kind of like a cheesecake, but not a cheesecake in a pie form. It was a recipe that I found online and I wanted to try it. So, here we go. We're going to need 2 blocks of cream cheese, softened. The weather has been so nice here the last few days, up to about a week, that I don't want to be in the kitchen. It's too nice outside. So, when it's nice outside, I typically am not in the house very often. If I had my way, I would cook all my meals on my barbecue. That way I wouldn't even have to come in the house. Alright, you want 2 blocks of cream cheese. Half a cup of sugar. Cup of sugar, and a teaspoon of the vanilla, measured with your heart. Yeah, it looks about right. We are going to use this here dreaded mixer that everybody knows I hate. And we're just going to mix this together. Right? We are going to set that off to the side. We are going to grab us another bowl. I don't need a bowl quite this big, but it was the only thing I had clean at the moment, so that's what I'm going with. You need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Like that. We're going to take that. We are going to dump that into the bowl. You want to get all of that out of your measuring cup. I am all about, in the summertime, quick and easy things that I don't have to turn the oven on for. And this is one of those recipes. Alright, I'm going to put my whipping cream back in the fridge. It is 83 degrees here, and I don't want it to go bad. Alright, we're just going to whip this up until it forms peaks. up just a tidbit. Alright, and that is what you want it to look like. We are going to take half of this mixture and we are going to put it in with our cream cheese mixture. We are just going to lightly fold that in. Put that back in the fridge. Because you don't want to deflate your whipped cream. But you want to get it nicely combined. Alright, once you get it nicely combined, you're going to get a 9-inch graham cracker crust. You can make your own if you choose. I didn't feel like making my own today. All the ingredients for this recipe, including the strawberries that go on top, cost me $9.89. So it is a very inexpensive treat. And all you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to just dump it into your pie crust. We're just going to smooth it out the best we can. Just like that. Scrape this off of here. Get it in the pie. Just like that. And then all we're going to do is I've got 1 cup of strawberries that I have washed and cut. You just want to place them on the top, like that. You can make them in any design you want. I don't go fancy with these. I just make it look halfway decent. That way everybody gets a little strawberry with their pie. My youngest asked me if I was going to have strawberries left over because he loves fresh strawberries. All right. We are going to take and put the cover on this. And we're going to pop it in the refrigerator and let it chill for, I'd say, about half hour, 45 minutes. Doesn't need to set up or anything, so shouldn't take long to chill. You know what? I'm not even going to cover it. I'm just going to put it straight in the refrigerator. No, I will cover it. Last thing I need is for it to get tipped or bumped or any of those. So, alright. This is going to go in your refrigerator for half hour, 45 minutes. And we'll show you what she looks like in a little bit when we cut into her. We'll see you in a bit. Ta-ta for now. Okie dokie, everybody. This is set in our refrigerator for 30, 35 minutes. Something like that. We are going to cut into it. And we are going to see if we can get this little sliver out of here without it falling apart completely on me. Oh, yes, I can. That is what she looks like. And we're going to take us a little tasty test. That is so good. It could use just like a little drizzle of like chocolate on the top. But other than that, it's absolutely perfect. Great for a hot day for dessert. It's just wonderful. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and we will see you in the next one. Ta-ta for now.